Hi everybody, it's a Mercedes 230 SL Pagoda we've just restored. Goes for its MOT next week, a Pagoda as it's known, goes for its hardtop. It's a January car, 66, started its life in Germany and then finished up in America. Apparently, so client tells me. The guy that owned it lived next door to Middle Street. How right that is, I don't know. I didn't go see it. I didn't meet any of them. It's a very, very pretty car. It's very, very nice colour combination. But believe you me, it looked nothing like this when it came in. It were rotten. Sills had fell off it, inner wings had fell off it. Looked alright, but they put plenty of patches on it, got plenty of plasters on it. Run alright, we're revving its head off. And that were a choke issue which we've had to sort out, and well, numerous other issues. Clients had interior redone somewhere by somebody else. A nice carpet set for it, all as factory. It does look nice. It's a lovely colour combination. Well, the amount of work that went into the body were amazing, really. I mean, there's a piece of one of arches here, and if you look at it, stay to it, that's practically what car were like. Inner wings had gone, but it's back alive now. Even got radio that works. Just could do a gator foot, gear lever. I'm sure we'll find one of them. All these fence, really well built, these cars. They're really, really well built. I mean, they're not like an E-Type, they're more refined than an E-Type. I mean, end of this back thing here, this is your convertible. I mean, you pull this lever here, pops up, and you can elevate your roof out. You fold your back over, close it down. Interesting how it works. Oh. You do have to slam them. It's not being heavy-handed. The bonnet's same. The bonnet has a lovely little catch here. Just lift it up. In you get a big spring, holds it in place. Strap tops it going too far. As you can see, everything's sorted out. Inner wings, like factory. Plenty of blasting gone off, engine's been out, everything cleaned down. Not a lot of work done to engine, but all gaskets tidied up here and there. Hard rubber battery, as it would have been when it left factory, as its 60s. Even down to bulkhead insulation, which were only available for a right and drive, so we got a piece of blank and made his own. I mean, wipers cross over the centre, fold out front middle. Like I say, an exceptional car now, but it needs to be exceptional at what they ask for them. Anyway, till next time, there you have it, another one sorted.